Hey y'all, it's Nancy with You Can Do Nails. Welcome back. In today's video, we're doing a blue and pink dip mani using some dips from my shop, the You Can Do Nails boutique. This chunky glitter is called Magnetic Bride. It's super cute blue and pink with some hollow action. Blue and blush, which is the coordinating fine glitter within the duo. And pink palace from the Rose Gold Royalty collection. The light pink with some gold flecks. I'm starting with peel base over some light builder gel so I can pop them off. And we're going to be using the Risen Legacy Dip Base Coat, which is nice and slow drying, which will actually be perfect because I am doing my non-dominant hand for the first time. I'm right-handed. And you'll see these glitters are pretty heavy on the glitter, a little lighter on the acrylic. So I'll make sure to cap these in clear. And for the chunky glitters, I typically like to pour them into a cupcake liner and lay my finger flat. I'll try to pick up some of the smaller pieces. Try not to touch with my hands, but doesn't always happen that way. Take my cuticle stick, run it around the edges, and then flatten it out on a piece of plastic. And if I have any stray glitters that are sticking up, I'll just take my tweezers and then pull them off. And then I'll fill them back in on the second layer. For my shimmers, I typically like to pour over. It was super helpful when I had longer nails, but I also find that pouring over gives me a more even application. And I'll also pour over for the fine glitters. I just love a good fine glitter. Gives you all the sparkle without the hassle. And another hack I like to use when doing my non-dominant hand is doing it first. That way I have a little bit more patience and I'm not as tired when trying to do my non-dominant hand. And I just love blue and pink. They were actually my two favorite colors growing up. And I would love to know, what were your favorite colors growing up? Comment below and let me know. Now I repeated the dip application on all the fingers. I took my stiff scrub brush, which is pretty worn, got off all my excess specks, and I'm going to encapsulate in clear. I'm using the Pure Diamond Clear by Risen Legacy. And when I'm encapsulating chunky glitters, I like to go in with a kind of thicker layer of the base coat so that I can make sure that the clear dip gets into all of the nooks and crannies. And that'll help me get a really nice, smooth finish. And then another trick to get the glitter to lay flat is to also press down after the coat of clear. So now I've scrubbed off the excess specks and I'm going in with the activator. And then I'll repeat on the rest of my fingers. And now it's time to file. I'm always working over my dust collector just to stay safe. And I'll start with filing the edges, which is a little tough to do from this angle. And I'm going to do gel top coat today. So I'm starting with my gel base. This is from Sparkle & Co. One day I'll get in the frame. But I'm going in with a nice thin coat of the gel base to keep my top coat from peeling. I'll repeat on all my fingers. I'm going to pop it in my Curing Lamp by Kiara Sky for 60 seconds. So now that I've got the gel base on, I'm going to move on to the gel top coat, which is also from Sparkle. And on this one, I'm going to show you on my pointer, because if I show you on my thumb, it's going to run down the sides by the time I get to the rest of my nails. So when I do top coat, I'll do my primary four fingers and then do my thumb last so that it's not running on the sides. And you'll see I work super, super slow, especially with the gel top coat, but I just want to be really careful that I don't get it on the sides of my fingers. Fingers crossed so I don't get a gel allergy. And back in the lamp for another 60 seconds. And if you're thinking about buying any of these products, please use the link in the description box below. It really helps me out. And thank you so much for watching.